G'day, this is Ray Hope. I've just got my brand new DJI OSMO Pocket. So here it is, I'm filming with it right now. I'm going to do some thorough tests with it and also do an unboxing and show you everything that came in the packet. And if you want to know where I bought this from, there's a link down there in the description to the website there. But let's go and test it out and do the unboxing for you. Okay, so it got delivered by DHL Express. So let's see, plain box. Okay, so there it is in the box. Righto, let's open it up, eh? Let's open it up. So here it is. What else have we got? And here's the holder. Seems to have everything in it. Jammed in here. Wrist cord. So we got instructions. It's in this little bag. USB-C charging cable. And our little plugs, adapters for the phone. So that's the USB-C Android style, and this one must be the iPhone Lightning style. Yep, there it is. Okay, so I've turned it on. I'm plugging it into the phone. I'm going to agree. Now it says we need to turn this thing on. Next. So I've already logged into my account. Okay. Great. Why is the tip in some foreign language? Great. Okay, just went for a quick run, testing it out. I'll show you what the video looked like. I'm running up some stairs, seeing how well it can track me. Back down the stairs again. It's probably a little bit jerky. Okay, so now I'm going to do a comparison between the DJI OSMO Pocket and this smartphone gimbal. Obviously this one is a lot heavier to move around. I'm going to get quite tired pretty quickly. This one's nice and light, but let's have a look at the video performance with some walking and some running. Let's go. So just walking down some steps. It's fairly low light here, but I've got them side by side, trying to hold them evenly. The good thing about this smartphone gimbal is it's got something nice and big and heavy to hold. So it's probably easier to hold my arm stable. Let's try the running. Okay, so I'm just going to try out the active face tracking. So as I move the camera down slowly, it should track up and follow my face. And as we go back up again, let's turn that okay. Move to the side, down. Seems to be tracking alright. How about as I walk, how well does this track my face? Gotta watch where I'm going. Now one of the things I was quite disappointed about with this is that it didn't come standard with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth included, so I can't connect it to the phone directly. You've got to buy another module for that. and also it doesn't have the live streaming out of the box right now. There may be a firmware or software update that will allow it to do that. Hopefully they will bring that out soon. So there's quite a few people on the forum that wanted to be able to live stream to Facebook and YouTube, and that's definitely something I wanted to be able to do with this. So I'm quite disappointed, but I'll show you how you can do that using another app. But it's a bit of a workaround, and it shows all the information on the screen as well, which is probably not what you really want. Okay, so I've got the DJI OSMO Pocket connected up to my phone here. Just going to turn it on. Does its little boot up sequence, and it should automatically bring up the DJI app here. We can see the screen that it's playing there, but we can't live stream. So what I'm going to do is use a Streamlabs app to live stream this. Unfortunately, you'll see all of the DJI app bits on there, like the record button and everything, but this is a little workaround we've got at the moment until DJI allows you to live stream to YouTube or Facebook and things like that. So let's give it a whirl. So I'm going to go back to my main screen and go back to the Streamlabs app here. We're going to go into a live stream. Okay, let's just create an event, and broadcast starts immediately. See how that goes. So at the moment, so it looks like we're streaming live now. Let's switch this camera around. So we'll just do that. Now it's coming back looking at me. You can see me and the and the camera there.
That's it.
So let's now switch it to share the screen. I'm going to start screen share and switch across to the DJI. Okay, so now you're seeing, and we should be live streaming what's on the DJI app. So we're going to spin around here, and I'm going to now go for a run up and down these steps. Alright, I'm going to test this face tracking while I do some chin-ups. We'll see if it can follow me all the way up here. I'll go slow to give it a chance. Might have to jump to get this little bit. Not sure if it will follow that. Are we tracking? Oh yeah, oh, I can see it moving. Hello. Hello. Yep. Good job, DJI. Follow me on the way down. Let's see. You still got me. Woohoo! I see that was a success. Excellent. Well done. I hope it's tracking the ball, not Alex. Where you going, Alex? You're chasing Daddy, are you? Hello. You fellas. Oh, good job. Standing up. Yes. Good job. Rightio. So now I'm videoing with both the Osmo Pocket and my S9. It's plugged in to the smooth motion gimbal, and I'm also trying to push Alex along in a pram with my belly. So let's see how these go. We've gone off track a little bit with the pram, so just try and straighten that out. Here we go. Also want to try and test out the audio of these two. We are by the river, so it's a bit windy, might be a little bit muffled, so it's a pretty hard test for the two options. You can feel the winds picking up now. Again, going off course with this pram. Let's adjust. Okay, I've discovered it is difficult to push a pram in a straight line with your belly while holding two arms out, trying to film yourself. But already my hand that's on my arm that's holding the phone gimbal is already starting to get a bit tired, whereas the one that's holding the Osmo Pocket is doing just fine. There goes the bicycle. I had to stop so we didn't have a crash. Let's see how we go going around the corner here. Let's stop because we're crashing again. Okay, that's enough. So I'm testing out the performance of this Osmo Pocket while we're driving. It's a fairly smooth ride, so it's not too much vibration, but still a bit of vibration back through the steering wheel, which I'm trying to hold on to with the same hand I'm holding on to the Pocket as well. So that'll sort of be a good test of how it works for this sort of application. Handles the bump here. So all in all, I'm reasonably happy with the performance of this Osmo Pocket. I'll give it a 3.5 out of 5. If DJI upgrade their firmware and allow it to do live streaming, then I'll push it up to a 4.5 out of 5, I think. If it had Wi-Fi built into it as well, I would have given it 5 out of 5 with the live streaming ability. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing some more videos using this Osmo Pocket. As soon as I get the Wi-Fi module, I'll be testing that out. And I also want to get the underwater module, underwater case. I've seen it advertised in the promotions, but not available for sale anywhere. But I really want to get that and test this thing out underwater. So until next time, cheers.